recovered. This morning, a large-scale operation resumes as crews work to retrieve victims and debris. The flight had 50 passengers, including 10 children and 12 crew members. Nobody survived. Right now, it's not clear what caused this. This is the first major air crash in Indonesia since 2018. That's when a Boeing 737 Max jet plunged into the Java Sea, killing 189 people. It is 5:15 and you're going to need your heavy coat. It is 30 degrees. Let's check in with Storm Center 7 meteorologist Jesse Maag.
Good morning, Gabby. Yeah, it's chilly out there, and I have been tracking some snow that's been moving through Ohio. At this point, it looks like that's nearly completely exited the Miami Valley. Maybe a few flurries possible off towards the far eastern half of the Miami Valley here. Taking a look at the bigger picture, this is what I'm talking about. It looks like we have a very weak boundary that's kind of moved through, popped up some snow showers that are moving through now, for the most part, southern and eastern half of Ohio. For us, you see this line in the clouds. I do believe we're going to start to see those clouds thinning out as we progress, not only throughout the morning, but especially into the afternoon hours, and we should end up with a good amount of sunshine once again. Visibility map does a great job of depicting where we are seeing some of those snow showers. You see on the eastern half of the Miami Valley, that's reduced down towards about 5 miles. The western half, you see all of these 10. So I suspect they're actually starting to see the skies clear up a little bit off towards the west, whereas maybe a couple snow showers are still lingering off towards the eastern half. But again, I don't really think that's going to have a big impact on you this morning. Out in Salina right now, their flag has been breezy. All the other ones I've been looking at have been fairly quiet. So your wind chill is likely drop down a little bit in Mercer County, or really anywhere in the western half of the Miami Valley. But here in Dayton, we're still hanging on to 30 degrees with really not much of a breeze to talk about. About 5 miles per hour coming out of the northwest. So fairly quiet to begin your day if you live in Dayton, but it could be breezier and chillier off towards places like Richmond, Greenville, or Salina. If you have some Christmas decorations up, you have plenty of opportunity over the next few days to go ahead and take care of that if you would like to, because we're going to see lots of sunshine, and today itself is actually going to be a really good day. While it is on the chilly side of things for us, a very winter-like day, the sunshine is going to help out, and we're really not that windy. So here into the afternoon hours, if you're thinking about taking some of that down, you'll have that opportunity. As we head into the overnight hours, we continue to see the skies clearing up. So tonight, you're likely seeing clear skies, a cold morning for tomorrow. Once again, 23 degrees is our low temperature. When you get conditions kind of settling down, the skies clearing up, you'll often get that temperature dropping down pretty quickly. So that's what we're going to start off with on Tuesday. But again, it looks like we're going to see a good amount of sunshine, at least for the first half of the day. A few clouds possible towards the end, and a high temperature approaching 40 degrees, which is above average for this time of year. Now, as far as those rain and snow chances go, the forecast is looking really quiet here for us. Nothing to track other than just a few clouds each and every day here. Again, lots of sunshine for Tuesday. We should end up seeing some sunshine for Wednesday and Thursday. That's where we're starting to see some clouds try to move back in. The only one we're keeping an eye on at this point in time is going to be Friday. That's when we have a wintry mix. It's going to be moving into the Miami Valley. At this point, it doesn't look like a large impact. But again, anytime we see some snow, depending on timing, that can give us some issues. Here's a look at the 5-day forecast. You'll notice those temperatures slowly climbing throughout the work week, back up into the mid-40s for Wednesday and Thursday. Keep in mind, the average high temperature is around 34 degrees, so that's about 10 degrees above the average. Take advantage of these temperatures because we do look to cool back down into the weekend, and we'll see near average temperatures in the mid-30s as we head into next week. We're bringing you weather and traffic every 10 minutes. Let's head over to Sarge and check on the roads. Good morning, Sarge.
Good morning again to you, Jesse. Well, as far as freeway traffic, things are in good shape. This is Interstate 75 near Interstate 70, and things here look good. Travel times have been good, actually, from Interstate 70 south on 75 into downtown. It's about a 9-mile drive. And right now, you can make it in 9 minutes now. I'm going to pull up a map. We want to look to see where South Elm Street. I just heard fire crews dispatched to the 1000 block of South Elm Street in West Carrollton. You can see it's south of Central Avenue. I have reported a structure fire there. There's a large fire response now headed that way. I'm Sergeant Mark Bauer in WHIO Team Traffic.
All right, we'll keep an eye on that. Thanks, Sarge. It is 5:19 and 30 degrees. Some people are already giving up on their New Year's resolutions. How long these pledges normally last? And we look at what people vowed to do in 2021. Millions of people could still be waiting on their stimulus checks. The glitch happening with the IRS that says it's delaying the second payments.
One of the biggest challenges of anyone who has a